tuberculosis a genetic disease?
No, tuberculosis is not a genetic disease, not a hereditary disease. It can be only transmitted, as I said, by droplet infection, by staying in close contact with a person who is already infected with TB. So if it happens in the same family, it is because of remaining in contact with the TB patient rather than it being a genetic or hereditary.
So does TB only affect the lungs?
No, TB mostly affects the lungs because it is through the droplet infection. The portal of entry is through the lungs, but apart from the lungs, it can happen in any organ of the body, be it a brain, kidney, skin, liver, genital areas, the bones, the spinal cord, everywhere. So TB bacteria can travel through the blood to any part of the body. Now in this patient generally thinks कि if अगर मुझे खांसी नहीं है तो TB नहीं हो सकती. They generally relate it with cough. So if it is affecting any other organ, a patient may not have cough. Sometimes even with lung infection also patient may not have cough. So cough is not the only criteria. It depends upon which organ the TB bacteria infects.